up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Kitchen. In this video, I will be teaching you guys how to make kettle corn popcorn just like as you would get at a farmer's market or a carnival. When I first found looking around for this recipe, I did fail. I'd say about maybe 3 or 4 times. My first time, I completely burnt the popcorn. The way I'm going to show you is the way I make it, and it comes out perfect. So now let's jump into the video, and I'm going to show you what the ingredients are and what things you'll be needing to use to make the popcorn. Alrighty, this is going to be all the stuff that you're going to be eating today. Again, you do not need this popcorn maker. I just have it out because it's something you know if you want to get, but it's only used specifically to make popcorn. I know some people don't like having a pot just for one use. So again, today we will be using this pot again with the steam hole. And again, if your pot does not have a steam hole, make sure there's a little gap so the steam can get out so your popcorn doesn't get all soggy. So what we'll be needing today is kernels. I got this at my local BJ's. You can also get it on Amazon. You need this vegetable oil. I got this specific one at my local ShopRite. And then you'll be needing some sugar. For all the ingredients, I'll be leaving an Amazon link in the description down below. And then you will be needing 2 tablespoons of the vegetable oil, and you'll be needing 4 tablespoons of the sugar. I put the sugar in here, that's why this 1/3 cup is out. And then for the corn, you're going to be needing a 1/2 cup. Alright, so now that you guys know the ingredients, let's get started. So first, what you're going to want to do is turn on your heat, keep it at medium heat. And then next, you're going to take your vegetable oil. Now be very careful on how much you put in, because if you put in too much, you're going to end up burning the kernels. That's what I did the first time. I eventually started with 3 tablespoons, but I figured out that 2 is the best way to go. So you take your 2 tablespoons. Alright. And then after that, you just make sure it's kind of just everywhere in there. So then you don't put all your kernels in yet, like we did in our last video. This one, what you're going to want to do is take maybe like 4 or 5 kernels, put them in there, and just wait for them to pop. And once they all pop, your oil is hot enough, and then you can put the rest of the kernels in. Check on it every now and again. You can leave the top off if you want. I put the top on because so the heat stays in, so they'll heat up faster and the kernels pop faster, and then we can get everything else going. As you guys can see, all the corn has now popped. So now what we want to do is take your 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels, put that in there, kind of just mix it around, and then with the same process, once these start to pop, then you put the sugar in. So kind of just leave these here. Put the top on, and of course, again, every now and again, just kind of make sure you mix it all around so they don't burn. And then we'll pick it up when we're ready to put the sugar in. All right, as you can tell, it is starting to pop. So now you take your 4 tablespoons of sugar. You just kind of put it in. Be careful, the corn gets very hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Make sure you mix it all in there pretty good. And after you kind of mix it all in there pretty good, same concept. Kind of just keep shaking it all around. Make sure it doesn't get burnt. Every now and again, you can open this up again, get it an extra good stir. minutes, the popcorn will start popping, and then you'll be ready to go eat. As you guys can see, the popcorn is pretty much done. So I'm going to turn off the heat now so it doesn't get all burnt. Once that kind of start moving the bottom around, as you can hear, it's still popping because it's still very hot. Just kind of move it all around so it doesn't burn. Tastes good. The last thing that you are going to need, which I forgot to mention before, you're going to need some salt, add that little extra flavor. Put some more salt in. And after that, take your corn. Put it in. One last little thing of salt. After that, pop in a movie and enjoy it. Look who it is. Hey, bud. Kiwi. What are you doing? So, that is how you make kettle corn popcorn in your own kitchen. I really like doing these cooking tutorials. Leave a comment down below if you want me to turn this into an actual series on my YouTube channel. Maybe do one one a week, one every other week, or maybe once a month. Let me know in the comment section down below. So with that being said, if you like this video, please click the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing. And please make sure you check out the Facebook and Instagram Tommy Clan pages. I'll be leaving the link to them in the description down below as well. Alrighty guys, I hope every one of you guys have a splendid rest of your day, and I really hope you guys enjoy the popcorn, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Take care.